Hey guys, welcome back, it's Anne. In this video, I'm unboxing the Fresh and Safe Vacuum Starter Set by Zwilling. This video is not sponsored, I'm simply exploring options to keep food fresh longer and meat marination time shorter. Watch the video until the end for a demo. Included in this box is this welcome booklet, which has a quick start guide with some information on the vacuum boxes and bags. It also includes a QR code for product registration. If you register your product, the company will send you a free vacuum wine bottle sealer. This is the operating instructions manual. It offers different languages and includes troubleshooting information for this vacuum starter kit. Included is a vacuum pump with a one-touch on and off button. As you can see, it's small enough to fit into a lunch bag, so I'm very excited to be bringing it along with me whenever I travel for work. This set includes a 2-liter glass vacuum box with a unique QR code, which helps identify and track your food. It will remind you of the use-by date. I chose glass containers over the plastic containers for a couple of reasons. I wanted to be able to reheat food in the oven while I'm at work and also to avoid any odors food normally leaves behind. In this box, there are 2 small vacuum bags, 2 medium vacuum bags, a power adapter, and a charging cable. Just like the vacuum boxes, all vacuum bags has a unique QR code. When using the vacuum bags for marinating or sous vide cooking, it is recommended to use the liquid barrier attachment to prevent any liquid from getting into the pump. If there's any liquid near the pump during the sealing process, turn off the vacuum pump. For easy closure, use a zip closure to seal the vacuum bags. To have a proper seal, press the push button located in the middle of the silicone valve after each vacuum. To seal the vacuum box, place the silicone valve on the valve of the lid and press down. Press the on and off button to start vacuuming. The vacuum pump will stop automatically when it is the right pressure. To open, pull the silicone valve gently. This vacuum system is supposed to keep food fresh 5 times longer and reduce marinating time shorter to 30 minutes instead of marinating overnight. My results from my first test, it was good and it did the job. Stay tuned for more videos using this vacuum starter set. I have some ideas besides food storage and marinating. To use the QR codes, download and open the Zwilling Culinary World app. The app will help determine and remind you of the contents used by date. When the QR code is scanned, the bag and box size will be automatically recognized along with the ID. There will also be an option to take a picture of the food to upload onto the app. Thanks for watching everyone, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. See you next time.